Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, tanan. Ni hao moshi moshashita samtatadahimashita wa nishasha. So welcome kapamakap namaste. Welcome once again to One Vote. We ask when we talk and we react. Something LGBT as related. What doesn't special K-pop, hip-hop, and C-pop here and there. And whether you are watching this side on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back with Tinyu Lahat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 11, the third to the last episode of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, Ryan did not go along with Jack's plans to follow, and infiltrate both Aaron and Lemuel because Ryan also had a connection or friendship with Aaron, I believe. So he said, "I'm backing out," and Jack doesn't have any more plans. So the conversations truly happened between Tony, Thomas, and Jack as they're trying to figure out another plan to infiltrate and really expose Lemuel's wrongdoings, which is why they thought of another plan that will make what do you call this, Lemuel and Aaron bait on what do you call this, on what was that again? I'm sorry, it's because of my grandmother. That will bait on exposing Lemuel and Aaron from Jack. Okay. Meanwhile, there is already a talent competition towards the contest, and Jin and Jarrett decided to do a duo performance. Actually, Jin is already sang in the competition, but for Jarrett's performance is where we left off because they did kiss on a duo performance between the two of them, and the mother was not having it. So we'll see how they're gonna turn things around in this episode. I do hope that they get to fix things around and put things together because even if the people are already waking up, in my opinion, issues have to be settled just yet. So we'll see how things will go. Manapatagal na continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. We're reacting once again to episode 11 now, Sashes and Hearts.
Daniel, you will be the next winner of Mr. Universe Real.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure. Look at this. You know this?
No.
This is Myla Peralta, the most famous designer and sponsor of the pageant. And she is my best friend.
Oh, okay.
And this is me with all the judges.
Wait, do you know Mr. Allen?
Oh yeah, we're friends. Alan and I, the president of Mr. Universe Real, we're like this. We're very close.
Very close?
Wait, do you have any pictures?
Pictures.
Yeah.
Alan doesn't really like taking selfies.
Okay.
But we go to China together to eat Chinese food.
Okay.
I'll do everything you want. I'll give everything you want. Just give what I want.
Anything for you.
Yeah.
Daniel,
Yes.
He's trying so hard, my
I don't
dear.
want you to talk dirty to me.
Dirty?
Dirty, yeah.
Okay.
You're a poop.
You are a bad dirty.
Oh yeah.
You are so dirty. You smell like you just came from the sewer.
Not like that.
Ew.
Make me turn on.
Okay,
I want
okay.
you to be sexy.
Oh,
Sexy kind
sexy,
of dirty.
dirty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it.
So, you look like your face is from the moon. Has so many craters.
Not like that!
Ew.
Not like that. I want you to tell me that I'm the prettiest person on earth. Tell me. Tell me.
Okay. You're the prettiest
Yeah.
and the dirtiest
Oh, yeah.
of them all.
yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, 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 damn. Oh, oh,
Yeah.
Pasabog kayo dun sa talent nyo ha.
No.
May pakising-sin kayo ha.
Jared at Jean, ang lala.
Uy, thank you. Di ko rin talaga na-expect na ganun yung magiging reaction ng mga tao sa amin. Sobrang na-appreciate ko guys lahat ng suporta nyo sa amin dalawa ni Jean.
Yun lang din yung paraan na naisip ko para maging maayos kami ni Jared.
Oh, tignan nyo. Kahit anong social media platforms, trending kayo.
Pasabog nga eh. Kahit ako nagulat, di ko akalaing may paganon.
Wait lang. So, mas namabasa mo ba yung mga comment?
Alin dyan?
Hoy, grabe ka naman makakomment dyan. Hayaan mo na sila, nagmamahalan nga sila eh. Porket walang nagmamahal sa'yo. Joke lang.
Uy.
Tama na guys. Alam nyo, guys, hindi ganun.
Sorry guys sa lahat ng hindi sa amin sumusuporta.
Sino ba yan? Ano, sparring na lang oh.
Jean, wag mo na sila awayin. Baka mas lumala pa yung issue, madamay ka pa.
Oo nga yan, yun ha. Grabe naman kayo guys, panira eh.
Tsaka wala naman masama sa ginawa namin ah. Ano bang problema nyo?
Ano
It's
ba
your-
kasama dun sa ginawa nila?
It's your
Wala ba
mother.
kayo nakakita ng naghahalikan? Bakit? Taga-sang planeta ba kayo?
Thank you Thomas sa pag susuporta din sa amin dalawa ni Jean ha. Pero labas ka dito Thomas. Huwag mo na kami ipagtanggol.
Okay lang yun. Di naman kasi tama, lalo na kaibigan ko kayo.
Wala naman mali sa ginawa nyo eh. Bakit? Mali ba magmahal?
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin guys, maraming salamat po. At sa mga tanggap kaming dalawa ni Jean, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng hindi po kami tanggap at nambabash po sa performance namin, God bless na lang din po.
Yes. God
Lang
bless.
sa concern.
God bless. God
Si
bless.
Madam Sara? For sure naman, hindi naman siguro siya magagalit sa amin kasi mahal niya naman anak niya.
Not to the extent that
Right.
her son is gay.
Sige, mauna na ako.
Sige Jean, sorry may ganito pang mga kaganapan. Bye Jean, thank you sa pagpasok ulit sa live.
Oh my god. Well, Daniel.
Yes, hello?
Hello, Lemel. Ano na nangyari sa alaga mo? Hard to get, ha?
Baka naman kinabahan lang, Aaron.
Ano kinabahan? Buong gabi ako naghintay. Ano ba yan? Bayad na yan, ha?
Okay, sige. Kakausapin ko mamaya, okay? Huwag ka mag-alala. Anyway, may ganap ka ba today, ha?
May branch ako eh. Ano ba yan? Kakaloka.
Date or booking?
Pwede both.
Sige. Bye.
Bye.
Even if it's a booking, that is not how you properly book someone. These old gays don't know anything
Hello, sir.
about
Good
booking at
afternoon. Meron
all.
mo po silang kasama, sir?
Mukha ba akong walang kaibigan? Ba't ang dami? Mukha ba akong matakaw? Ano? Alis dyan! Ano ka ba, Mari? Hindi ka naman makapaghintay.
Good morning, is this Sir Lemuel?
Who's asking?
I'm calling on behalf of the Bank of Oxen regarding your overdue balance of 1.85 million pesos.
Hello? This is Lemuel's girlfriend. How can I help you?
Will you be able to settle your balance today, sir?
No.
Hello?
Hello?
You're choppy.
The
Hello?
Lintik kasi Jack to ayaw po pumayag. Eh, sana marami na akong anda ngayon.
the deserve and see.
Ano ba? Bingi ka ba? Bigyan mo nga ako nito. At saka nito. Tsaka, lahat! Bigyan mo sa akin lahat! Bilisan mo!
Deserve.
That is so stupid! Nakakairita na, ha? Ano ba itong mga nangyayari? Patong-patong! So now you're telling me that? Eh, hindi naman yung pinag-usapan natin, ah! Huh. Really now? Bahala ka sa buhay mo!
Mother, what is up? What is up, Mom?
Mom,
Yes, Jin?
galit ka ba?
Disappointed, I will
Does
say.
it matter?
Oo naman.
That's your son,
Pero huwag ka
Mio.
mag-expect na magsasorry ako sa'yo dahil sa ginawa ko.
Yes, you do. You better
You
not.
lied to me.
And why would he
Mom,
lie to
hindi
you?
ako nagsinungaling sa'yo. Oo, tinago namin ni Jared. Pero, hindi ako nagsinungaling sa'yo.
Why didn't you tell me first?
Ano ba, Ma? Ano bang connection mo sa relasyon namin?
Then why are you here?
Gusto ko malaman kung tanggap mo pa rin ba ako bilang anak mo.
50-50. 50-50.
I'm just so worried about you. Kung ano-anong mga masasakit, masasamang salita ang binabato nila sa inyo.
Well, let them be. Whatever.
Bakit, Ma? Isa ka rin ba sa kanila?
Eh. Haha. 50-50. Well, I just said 50-50. 50-50 indeed. 50-50. 50-50. Okay. I continue. Play.
Ate. Take off na nga lang nito.
How about your bill, sir?
Charge it to my room.
I think she can't eat well now. Deserve.
Tingnan mo tong post sa Missology, oh. Mag 1 million likes na.
Oh.
Trending.
Puro angry naman yung mga reactions.
Uy, hindi naman. May mga supporters naman. Oh, yan, may nag-comment to. Love is love. Bet ko tong matapang na candidates na ito. Love it!
Yeah.
Oh, di ba?
To be fair,
Paano meron isa? Oh,
They're really brave.
Ate, nagalit ba si Madam?
In the year 2025.
ayun na nga. Kasi paglingon ko, wala na siya sa tabi ko. So, silent means yes. Never na siya nag-talk all the time. Ayaw mo na.
Okay,
Ate,
Just give him-
ako baka isipin ni madam na
give her time.
akong tao.
No,
Ano ka ba?
me.
Wala
No.
ba kayo ginagawang masama? Ngayon kung nagalit siya, problema niya na yon. Hindi niya na problema yon. Kaya
Yeah.
huwag ka lang mag-isip ng kung ano-ano.
Cheesy is so right. Yes, Cheesy is so right. If she can't accept it, that's her problem. Not her children's problem either.
Oh, Limuel, are you alone? Gusto mo mag-join?
No, actually, I was with Jack. Kakaalis lang niya.
Oh, the Mr. Philippines. Busy talaga siya.
Oh yes, Mr. Philippines. Sobrang busy. Speaking of Mr. Philippines, sobrang laking pasabog ng Aces of Kings, ha?
Oh.
And yung Jared and Jin, ha? In fairness, I like Jin, pero yung Jared, parang labubo. Actually, mukhang voodoo doll.
Maybe you are the one who looks like voodoo doll.
comment. Parang totoo naman.
Diba? Ano bang balak mo dun sa magjowa na yun?
Well, no one knows yet.
Pero in fairness, madam, bagay sila.
No comment ulit. Bagay nga.
Bakit, madam? May thing ka ba sa isa sa kanila?
Oh,
Excuse me, hindi
Oh.
ako katulad mo.
Anyway, asan na ba yung assistant
Ay,
mo?
Diyos ko, speaking of, I fired her. Talagang napipikon ako sa kanya. She has caused so much trouble sa brand. Imagine ninyo, siya pala ang nag-upload ng BJ scandal ni Jin and Jared.
Oh my God!
Siya ba? Siya! Oh.
Nakakaloka.
oh.
Super. Ay nako,
Trying hard.
buti na lang talaga. Meron akong bago, si Gertrude.
Oh!
And he or she, it, kasi importante ang pronouns. Can
Yes.
help me with my upcoming finals.
Yes, Madam Dolly. I know Gertrude.
I'm glad they're
I
emphasizing
see it, him,
pronouns.
her, everywhere.
Correct.
Or they, them.
Parang,
No?
Very good
parang
choice.
kupal, no?
Parang kupa.
Totoo yan. Alam mo, I'm hungry na.
Let's go na nga.
But not that.
Oh, kakain lang kami. Total, mukha kang busog.
Madam, nag-white ka pa ha? Ang taba mo dyan.
But yeah, I'm glad
Ako na
that
naman yung mga pangit. Sundo muna ako dito.
as if you are. As if you are.
Yan na nga ba yung sinasabi ko eh.
Ew.
Kalma ka lang,
My God.
brotherhood. Wala pa namang decision eh. I-heart ko na lang para ano.
Wait lang ate.
Oh.
Ba't mo i-heart? Hindi ba parang sinusuportahan mo yung disqualification namin pag ganyan?
Oo nga no. Eh di magsasad na lang ako.
Sad.
Sad reaction.
Oh dear, it's the rent.
Papasara ko na to?
Teka lang ate, di ba? Hindi pa naman natatanggal si Jared eh. At saka ang usapan natin, pagtapos ng pageant.
Mamaya tanggal na yan. Aminin mo. Tingnan mo tong salon, oh. Inaalikabok na. Wala nang customer na dumarating.
Yeah.
Ate, di ba yung grabe ka naman? Meron naman nagpagawa sa akin ng isang araw lang. Ito naman eh. Diba?
Isang araw, sino yun? Di ba ako yun?
Ay, ito ba yun? Oh, kita mo? Ang ganda ng buhok mo, Ate Divine. After 6 months, balik ka sa akin ha. 6 months pa. Babalik.
Cheesy, alam mo naman. Kung wala pa kayo may bibigay sa akin na bayad ng renta at upa nitong salon, maghanap na kayo ng ibang kapagkakakitaan. Kasi wala na talaga. Ipapasara ko na to. Makabayad man kayo ng pansamantala, wala din dahil sa kawalan ng customer.
Jared!
Ay, sorry.
Di ba yung Jared?
Bakit ikaw to? Hindi nga, nagsasalita ako eh. Jared, di ba ikaw to? Grabe, trending na trending kayo. Grabe sila. Trending? Oo, kasi nakita ko yung video. Trending siya. Nung nag-kiss kayo sa talent portion, grabe, kinig yung kissing ko. May kiss.
Nakinig ang kissing ko.
Jared. At ayun na nga, kaya ako nandito. Siyempre, para magpa-sperm. Magpa-sperm o magpa-firm? Boba? Basta, whatever. Oh my God. At darating mga tropa ko. Kasi susupport talaga kami sa inyo. Makakapagbayad ka niya sa akin.
Sige na, linisin mo na yung bunga ni Kabok.
Sige, ayusin mo yan para makapagbayad ka.
Oh, sige. Basta tawagin mo lahat ng mga kaibigan mo.
Taga ka na sila kaya. Supporter na kami sa atin.
We love supportive customers. We love that. We love the support that they're giving.
Ready nga. May gym training pa tayo.
Right? Gym training.
Sorry.
O bembangan.
Dami ko lang iniisip talaga. Ano ba? Ito dapat yung isipin mo. Dito sa final interview, i-assess. Kung magugustuhan ka ng mga judges, tapos kailangan maganda yung sagot mo. Yung hindi fake yung dating. Okay? Kaya yan. Focus lang sa goal.
Thank you.
Wala talaga alam bakit ako nagpaloko dun sa kupal na yun eh. Pinagkatiwalaan ko siya ng matagal. Huwag mo nang isipin si Lemuel. Walang may tutulong sa'yo yun. Hindi siya maalis-alis sa isipan ko. Tangina. Sana all. Charis.
Sana.
Tiwala ako sa kupal na yun.
Shoota.
Alam mo, mas okay na yung tanga no. Kesa naman sa manluloko. Di ba? Bagay, may point ka dun.
That's a point. I saw when I was checking the episode, the last part, they're gonna do something. I believe. Something 18 plus.
Ganda mo, te.
Ate,
Ganda.
tignan mo. May nagpa-reserve ulit online.
Ay, Dorit, di ko na kaya, brother. Sabi ko, bukas na lang. Hindi ko na kaya, Mari.
Hindi pa. Dadating dito.
Wait lang, Wait lang. Hello, my honey? I'm so sorry. I'm so busy for today. Because I have a lot of customer. Yes, honey. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, see you soon, okay? I love you, honey. I love you so much.
Ate, wait nga lang. Sino ba yan?
Siya, yung tumawag. May European lover.
Ate, European kasi. Tsaka, lover ba o scammer?
Uy, shadow ka naman. Wala namang hinihingi sa akin yung nakapalit, no? Ang tanging kailangan niya lang ay ang aking malaking pagmamahal.
Ate, hindi naman sa pagiging basher ako ng pagmamahalan nyo, pero ninigurado lang ako kasi ayoko makitang masaktan ka. Kasi ito mali Charlie.
Hoy, ako sinabihan ng kapatid ko, hindi ikaw. Thank you, brother. Huwag mag-alala, hindi akong papaloko doon. Dahil alam ko naman love niya ako.
They're using she, so is she a woman? Nagtataas ang bandera. Wait, I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. Let's continue.
The lot is in Nasugbu. It's 4 hectares and I'm selling it for 700 per square meter. Yeah, we can negotiate that upon viewing. All right. I'll see you then. Bye.
Oh. Ibebenta niyo yung lupa sa Batangas?
Yes. Bakit?
Why?
Bakit niyo ibebenta, ma?
Nakatenga lang naman yung lupa for the longest time. Panahon na sigurong ilat go ko.
Bibili ka ba ng bagong property?
No. Gagamitin ko yung money sa mga Stunning Star clinics. We're falling short on some of them, right? Reality naman yun ng business eh. So, ganun lang yun. Kailangan lang paikutin yung pera.
I mean,
ayos lang ba tayo?
Of course. Don't worry about it, son. We're doing okay.
I guess.
By the way, makakapunta ka ba bukas?
Kasi hindi ako judge this year. And I have a meeting with the board of directors. So, I'm not sure.
I mean, makakapunta ka ba bukas sa sport meet? Pero, bahala na.
Uh-oh. I mean, if we have to find money, what can we do?
Ang daming tao dito sa may salon. Eh, sorry po. Grabe. Sabi nila, lahat sila napanood yung video natin sa Aces of Kings.
Totoo ba? Buti naman.
Oo nga eh. Grabe. Jean. Si Madam pala. Nakausap mo na.
Hindi pa kami nag-uusap eh.
Ganun ba? Baka busy lang. Sana, hindi naman siya nagalit sa atin, no?
Just disappointed, I will say again.
Sabi mo nga, di ba? Baka busy lang.
Sige, tuloy ko muna to, ha? Tuloy ko muna to, Jean.
Sorry po.
Love you.
Sorry to the customer.
I thought you were busy.
Yes, honey. I
So it's
told
a woman.
them I'm on a break. I'm very tired already. Yes.
That's good. You need rest.
It's a woman.
Yes. But it's okay. My wallet is so happy. And my heart is so happy because of you.
Oh.
That's so sweet. Honey, can I ask you something?
Yes. What?
Can I borrow some cash? I need
Uh-oh.
for proof of pocket money to get my visa approved. My
Uh-oh.
money won't arrive until the end of the week.
Oh,
What?
oh, you,
Ako ba, you have a big business? Have many money.
oh my god, you better,
I only deal with cash.
you better,
Need to see it reflected on a bank.
you better cut it off.
Trust banks? Yeah, too many security breach.
You don't trust a bank?
So what do you say? You still want to see me in person?
Girl, you better cut it off now. I'm telling you, Gigi. Rent first, okay? Rent first before that woman. Whatever.
Oh, anong balak mo yan? Sana discover mo kay Limuel.
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Wala pa akong idea.
Kung ako yun, mapupulis ko ako agad yun.
Hindi kasi ganun kadali yun eh. Alam ko, may kapit yun sa Sir Limuel kaya di mahuli-huli.
Alam mo si Limuel, mataas kasi yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. Dapat
Yabang.
sampal ng katotohanan.
Pam, pam, pam.
Tangina, pag nakita ko yun, sasampalin ko yung titi ko.
Pwede yan, try nga.
Uy, baka magkapasa ka sa finals.
Okay lang yun. Sarap naman eh. Hoy! Kayong dalawang dudumi nyo ha. Rinig ko kayo sa labas. Pero, alam nyo naman na pwede nyo din ako sampal-sampalin.
This fucking friendship group. Cute.
Anong nangyari si Jack?
Dapat time
Bigla ka
frame
lang
you.
nawala kagabi, nakakahiya kay Aaron.
May emergency lang po.
I think we need Aaron.
So, can call it free. Ha? Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi man kita basta-basta kanino ibibigay kasi para ka sa mga VVIP.
Really? I feel. Come on.
Kikita mo to. Hindi 20,000 yung pagkatao ko, Limuel.
Ano?
Ito ah.
papayo ko lang. Susunod, lagyan mo ng password yung laptop mo. Para, hindi ka nabubuking.
Sa palagay mo, natatakot ako sa'yo?
Why would you be? Why would...
Ipagkalat mo. Go ahead.
Talaga. Pagkakalat ko to, malalaman ng buong mundo kung gaano ka kababoy.
Sige lang.
Baboy.
Tingnan lang natin kung anong matitira sa career mo, Jack.
That's what I don't mind.
Tuwala ako sa'yo. Pero manggagamit ka.
Pare-pareho lang naman tayo dito eh. Pare-pareho lang tayo naggagamitan, Jack. Ginagamit nyo rin lang naman kami para makarating kayo kung saan nyo gustong pumuntang impyerno.
God, this is all hard
Kung
work.
alam ko lang,
Not discrediting our hard
gagawin mo
work.
sa akin. Hindi na sana ako pumirma ng kontrata sa'yo eh.
Alam mo, kayo talaga mga pretty boys. Ang hilig nyo magpa-victim. Eh, ginagamit nyo lang din naman kami para umangat sa buhay, di ba?
But go really? With that kind of behavior? Jesus!
Hindi na kita tinuturing manager. Tanda mo yan ah.
Stop victimizing yourself
Okay.
them well.
Makikiusap ako sa'yo.
Why would
Sige.
you?
Go!
Why would you?
Tingnan ko lang kung saan ka makakarating sa yabang mo na yan. Kumustay mo si Tomas? Tingnan mo at tanungin mo sa kanya kung anong nangyari sa career niya simula nung nawala ako sa buhay niya.
Why, you're gonna call your reinforcements, grab the police, even the industry? Nuh-uh. Not on my watch. Anyways, this next part is age restricted, I believe.
So, anong plano natin dito kay Jarrett Adam Liwanag at Gene Serrano?
Let's see if I'll
Disqualify
cast this on
them?
YouTube.
I mean, ang dami nating mga negative comments. Nagba-backslash na sa atin ngayon to.
What by those commenters? Hey, come on.
Ang dami-daming basher ng mga yan.
Ang dami ba?
You know, hindi natin sila pwedeng tanggalin because marami ang nagbibigay ng suporta from the LGBT community.
Yeah,
Hindi lang naman kasi sila yung target audience natin. Yung target market natin involves a lot of people from our female pageants as well, di ba? So, but they are a big chunk of it. Yeah, you're right.
What do you think? You as the head of this franchise.
Well, thank you for that wonderful question.
Let's promote inclusivity, you know.
Mag-hi ka naman.
Inclusivity.
I believe in you. And I believe and trust in your leadership to do the right thing for this problem.
I know na. I believe that these children are our future. You know, we have to teach them well and let them lead the way. So, you lead the way.
You lead the way.
Let's go. Let's go.
Lead the way.
All right, let's have some coffee. You want some pizza?
Say hi naman. Salad lang ako. Hello.
Salad. That's great. Let's order pizza.
Bye. So lahat ng pinag-uusapan natin naka-live si Raul.
Oh my God.
Oo nga, hindi naman eh. Naka-video lang ito.
Go fucking delete that. Delete that. That is private matters as far as I'm
Okay
concerned.
lang yun, Jack. Di mo deserve yung ganun laro. Di mo deserve yung niloloko ka.
Hindi ko alam, pre.
Pre. Pare ko eh.
Bigat eh. Alam mo yun, yung binild mong relationship. Pero, lulukoyin ka lang pala. Tiwala ko sa kanya eh. Lahat ng offer niya, ginawa ko. Lahat ng request niya. Pero, lulukoyin niya pala ako.
Alam mo, Jack, random kita. Gets kita. Pero sa ngayon, hindi mo kailangan maging mahina.
Aww.
Dapat maging malakas ka. Lalo na ngayon.
Sana nga. Sana maging malakas ako. Katulad mo.
Aww.
Basta lagi mo natandaan, Jack, na hindi ka nag-iisa. Nandito ako. Hindi mo kailangan magpakamartir. Hindi mo kailangan pasanin lahat. May masasabihan ka.
You have a very supportive friend.
Lagi na ako nasa tabi mo.
Aww.
Thank you, Thomas, ah.
Alam mo, Jack, kung gaano ka kahalaga sa akin. Siguro alam mo din kung anong nararamdaman ko sa'yo.
Romantic.
Alam mo, Thomas, appreciate ko naman yung mga ginagawa mo. Mga efforts mo. Pagsisikap mo para sa atin.
Alam mo na ba?
At least they're starting to appreciate each other romantically. We love that for them. They're starting to
Magkaintindihan na. Alam mo na ba ang dapat mong suotin? Halika na, akin na. Bakit di mo pa ibigay?
I'm just going to Channel Kingdom, I swear.
May oras pa naman tayo. Di na tayo magmamadali. Ikaw at ako, ikaw at ako. Tayo lang dito sa kwartong ito.
I will shower together. Sana all. The song is good though. Oh yes. I love the song. And historians will just say they're just best friends. But in fact, they're already boyfriends. I'm watching this on a fucking Sunday, yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Dahan-dahanin natin. May oras pa naman tayo. Di na tayo magmamadali. Ikaw at ako, ikaw at ako. Tayo lang dito sa kwartong ito.
Hey, Papa time.
Tayo lang dito
My friends.
sa kwartong ito.
Bro, this song is good though. I like it. Even the lyrics. Yep, bembangan on a fucking shower. Science says shower sex. The song sounds good though. I love it.
Ay, brother, anong ganap, Chi?
Tumawag si Miss Dolly. Pinapapunta kami dalawa ni Jean.
So remain yung competition or wala na talaga?
Dali nga, Bi, ang sakit na ng liig ko sa'yo. Pero, Jared, huwag kang mag-alala. Support kami sa inyo. At saka, nakita mo ba yung hashtag? Mag-welga talaga kami kapag hindi kayo pinapasok or pag niligwa kayo dyan. Yun na nga yung hashtag. Grabe. Maganda.
Thank you po,
Yes, support talaga kami all the way. Hashtag Jinre. Jared, kaya huwag ka nang mahinaan dyan ng loob.
Oh, alam mo na.
Alam mo na rin, ayusin mo na yung hair ko.
I-ano niyo si Jared, talagang support kayo sa kanya.
Yes naman.
Lahat ng kabederasyon, dali mo sa salon.
Yes! Jared.
Bawasan na yan.
Come here na, Jared. Hug ko muna si Jared, ah. Jared. Huwag na malungkot, Jared.
Ito, Sale. Kapatid ko yan, eh.
Malungkot. Ito naman, ito na lang to, eh.
Yeah. Maybe I will
naman, kahit
we'll have the support.
Malungkot, Jared.
Hindi ka makamag-anak.
But actually, I love the support. I really appreciate the support. I really appreciate it.
Kung mahal mo na.
I guess. I mean, they already
Medyo.
did it.
O, teka. Ikaw, okay ka lang ba? Buselos ka?
Sumula mo yung totoo. Siyempre. Hindi ko na lang pinapakita sa'yo, pero sakit pa din.
Oh.
Pero alam ko naman na hindi ko hawak at pagmamayari ang nararamdaman mo.
So, your feelings are
Kapag
valid.
magalit. O selos.
True.
BFF mo ako, okay? At ang role ko ay suportahan ka kung saan ka magiging masaya.
I feel for Tony, oh my god. I feel for him.
Thank you, basta.
But he's right.
Basta, tandaan mo wala akong galit. Tsaka, darating din yung para sa akin.
Yeah. You can control our emotions.
Sandito lang ako para sa'yo, ah. Diba?
Aww. That's so sweet.
Oh, ano na pala plano mo kay Sir Limuel ngayong laya ka na sa kanya?
Siguro, iakyat ko na lang siya sa taas.
How?
Iakyat mo na siya kay Lord.
That's Lord. What?
Kay Miss Dali kasi. Alam mo naman yun. Kapit to ko. Kung saan malakas, doon pumupunta.
Kapit to ko.
Kaya pag nawala yan si Miss Dali sa kanya, nawawala na rin siya. Kumain ka ulit.
The fact that Jack is aware of it.
na.
Oh. They love you, sir.
Pabalot mo na lang.
Boys, this job is hard enough. Kailangan niyo pa bang talagang dumagdag sa sakit ng ulo namin tsaka sa mga iniisip namin?
Sorry po, Miss Dolly. Hindi naman po namin pinlano yung nangyari.
But it happened.
I have carefully assessed the situation and I don't want Aces of Kings to get a reputation of not supporting LGBTQIA+ community because that is not what we stand for.
Love that.
Meaning?
Meaning you two will remain in the competition.
Oh.
But no more controversial moments, okay?
Promise po, hindi na po kami gagawa ng kalokohan.
Formalities, I get it. I get it. Like, no more kissing in public. Keep things in secret. And let's all say inclusivity wins. Love Laban, here we go.
Kamusta? Oh. Congrats pala sa inyo, ha?
Oy, thank you.
Galingan niyo bukas, ha? Charity yun. Marami kayong matutulungan.
Oo naman. Pero teka, ikaw. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
May sasabihin lang kay Miss Dali. Importante.
Sige, Jack. Alam ko naman na kayang-kaya mo yan. Paano ba yan? Mauna na rin kami.
Sige, ingat kayo, ha?
Sige. Gitol.
I wonder if he's gonna be successful. So I'm scared for him. I'm actually concerned for him. Oh my god. Here we go.
Where's your boyfriend Thomas?
I don't know. Where's yours?
What the fuck are you talking about? I don't have a boyfriend.
How about Limuel?
Diba? Oh.
I know everything you and Limuel did. And I also know that his friend borrowed you with a little fee.
A little
I
fee.
don't know what you're talking about.
Fee.
Nah, I won't drag you into this. But I will tell the board all the dirty things Limuel did with the candidates.
That's a stupid idea, Mr. Philippines. Do you know Lamel has so many connections in the international scene?
Well, we can throw him off the window,
You might
though.
want to think carefully what you're gonna do next.
But we can eradicate him
I
easily.
already have.
So, are you gonna be a whistleblower?
A whistleblower?
Yes, but I will tell them everything.
How much everything?
Instead of being a whistleblower, blow their whistles, baby. You're gonna risk the competition for this? Not like you would've won anyway.
Okay, Daniel. But here we go. We'll see in the penultimate next week. I guess.
No, sa dami ng mga pwede natin candidates,
Or-
Diyos ko. You just have to look outside, di ba? Ang dami mga potential dyan ng mga candidates. Talagang.
Miss Dali, pwede po ba kayong makausap?
Jack, what are you doing here? Akala ko ba may respeto ka sa ganitong klaseng meeting, ha, Jack?
Yung pinagkakatiwalaan nyo po. Yung nasa harapan nyo. Isa yung manluloko.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
At sino ka naman para paniwalaan nila, ha, Jack? Ang taas naman ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. Mukha kang tanga.
Makakalintang.
Miss Dali, sana pagtitiwalaan niyo po ako. Yang taong yan, lahat ng alaga niyan binibenta niya.
Jack! Please stop! You bore me with your lies. Ano ba? Doon ka sa labas magpasikat, wag dito. Marami kami pinag-uusapan na mas importante ka sa kalokohan mo. I'm sorry, Miss Dali. I'm sorry.
Marami po akong ebidensya. Marami po akong ebidensyang kayang ilatag sa inyo.
Ay, he provided a lot of evidence.
Pwede ba?
From photos to
Tingnan mo
videos
na nga yung kadramahan mo.
and screenshots.
Alam mo sa sarili mo, hero? Ha? Whistleblower? Ano ba? Huwag mo aksayin yung oras namin.
Hindi ba ito importante? Lahat ng candidates, ginagamit mo.
Akala mo ba maniniwala sila sa'yo? Ha? Jack? Is that true? Madam, Pawi, hindi siya nagsasabing totoo. Matagal niyo na akong kilala.
Jack, kung totoo man ang mga sinasabi mo, kailangang managot ang dapat managot.
You know, we have to look at the facts. This is serious.
Yep. Lemuel is going down, going down, going down, going down the yard. I'm here for the most downfall. Whatever. We'll see in the next episode.
Alam mo, minsan di ko na rin talaga malaman yung trip mo. Sadyang ganyan ba talaga kayong mga mayayaman?
Sabi ko na nga ba, makikipagkita ka sa akin ulit.
Oh my god.
Hindi ka naman naniniwala sa sinabi niya.
That is under investigation. Hindi ko pwedeng i-discuss sa'yo yon.
Bakit? Hindi pa nadating si Madam?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
We will see how things will go in the next episode with the breakfast being served onto your movie. Things are getting really, really, really crazy down there, and I am here for it. Yes. Anyways, that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 11, the third to the last episode for Sashes and Hearts. Okay. Things are getting more and more and more and more and more interesting. The mud is going down the aisle, going down. And I am here for all of that. Yes, I'm here for all of that. Let's be real. Like, it's gonna be really interesting how how Jack is going to take him down, because again, Sir Lemuel is a hard enemy to look up to and to bring down to. So it is gonna be interesting to see how things are gonna go between the two of them. Like, it's gonna be a bloodbath. It really will be. But listen, like, I do understand though about the mother of Jin, that she is kind of like 50-50 about the situation. I mean, it's okay. It's okay to feel that way. I mean, knowing and especially that she's the mother, and like she felt like she was so betrayed by her son. I mean, it's completely understandable. However, Cheesy is right. If she can't accept the whole situation down, then that's her problem. That's her issue. Like, it's gonna be it's not children's concerns anymore. It's really the mother now. So that is that. I do hope things will settle better in the last 2 episodes starting next week, because we're almost there. So I do hope that things will be going down the aisle. But we still have bigger issues to face, and that is exposing them well. Now, just like what I mentioned earlier, it is going to be difficult to take down them well because of a lot of connection. But since Jack is really persistent and he really wants to take him down the aisle, I really do hope Jack is prepared for a lot of consequences regarding this. Of course, I'll be supporting him. But it is going to be a different kind of walk in the park to really settle things down. It is going to be interesting to see how things are going to go. Plus, yeah, I mentioned that there is a lot of obstacles before we can take him down. So it is going to be interesting. And I'm also glad that the competition still decided for Jin and Jared to still remain, because we love the inclusivity. They even emphasize pronouns. I'm glad that they're emphasizing the use of proper pronouns in this year, in this kind of era. Like, we love to see that, because there are some shows that don't really utilize proper pronouns. So I'm glad that this series or this episode also emphasizes the usage of proper pronouns and like how to properly address those people properly, whether he, she, or they, them. I'm glad that they are very inclusive and very sensitive with that matter. I really appreciate that. So hopefully Cheesy won't be scammed. Hopefully, but we will just have to wait and see. We're now down to the last 2 episodes of the series, and it is going to be more interesting to see how everything's going to go, as Lemuel is going to be going to the downfall very, very soon. Not to be off on that thought, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to episode 11, the third to the last episode of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you are watching this at YouTube or my Patreon, if you guys thought this very good, say a huge thumbs up or heart. And tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 12, the penultimate episode for Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Along with the current MBLs, just an RV content, so stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, to this so to speak, thank you all so much for watching, and see y'all again next time. Bye bye! Maraming pong salamat!